Alright, hello and welcome to this brief weather update. We're just going to look at the temperatures this afternoon because they're soaring in certain areas, and I stepped outside and it's already quite warm out. And we're going to take a look at Long Island and New Jersey. You can see it's already in the mid-70s in New Jersey. At least it's not that warm here, but it's in the upper 60s here. So let's look at Long Island, and you'll see here in the middle of the island we're in the upper 60s and maybe a few 70-degree readings as well. But what's weird is on the North Shore, it looks like there's some kind of Long Island sound breeze, and temperatures are only in the 50s there. So they're getting a Long Island sound breeze, which isn't that common, but they're getting that. And of course, on the South Shore, they have a sea breeze, so they're also cooler in the looks like upper 50s and low 60s. And we head out east, also somewhat cooler. So maybe there's a backdoor front that's trying to maybe draped over there. I don't know, but or maybe some clouds maybe that haven't cleared out of those areas yet. But it's a lot warmer as we head into Jersey. The city, similar readings in the city, mid 60s. But of course, as we head into New Jersey, it gets a lot hotter. And we head especially toward Toms River, and you're already in the mid 70s in Toms River. So absolutely brutal there in Toms River. It's ridiculous. Let's look at the Ventus sky. You can also see the much warmer shades over New Jersey here, with the reds here indicating 70s, or the oranges indicating mostly 70s here. And as you head out toward Long Island, it's in the 60s. So, but it's warming up here. The sun is out, and it's going to get warmer as the day goes on, and tomorrow is going to really be brutal. And we're going to talk about that in the weather update later. I just wanted to go over what the temperatures are doing right now. So we'll take a look at a couple of observations here. Farmingdale, 61, a few clouds, so the sun is out. There is a south wind at 12, gusting at 24. So there is a south wind. There is a sea breeze, but of course, you know, if you're in the middle of the island, it takes time for its effect to get to you. 58 at Islip. And also let's look at West Hampton, 51. So it's still cooler in Suffolk County, but now let's head over to the city, see what it is in the city. Central Park, 59. That's cooler in the city than it is here, 59. So it's like northeast wind at 7. So there's a northeast wind, so it's almost like a Long Island sound breeze that's trying to develop and kind of work its way along the North Shore and into the city, and a sea breeze on the South Shore. But here in the middle, we're kind of on the warm side, but it's not that bad when you take a look at New Jersey. Let's take a look at Toms River and see what they have there. 72, so yeah, it's hot there. And look, dew point's 57, so yeah, it felt a little humid out there too. And there's a south wind at 22, gusting to 35, so the winds are pretty strong, and it's humid, so it's uncomfortable. I put the air conditioner on. I can't stand the humidity, and you know, it's like the humidity just 72 at Belmar, Farmingdale as well. So Jersey's got the warmth and the humidity, and there is a south wind. The strong south wind will win out, and temperatures will hopefully start dropping here in the middle of the island. Hopefully, as we head toward later this afternoon to this evening, as the sea breeze works its way in. Hopefully, it should. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this weather update. I don't want it to be a long one. I'll have another one for you later tonight on the rain the front that's going to be moving through, and tomorrow's brutal weather. So we'll talk about that later.